When you're working with big groups, you want them forming smaller groups so that they can have meaningful conversations throughout the day. But you also want them mixing with different people so it's not the same group having the same perspectives or the same bias brought into the conversation. Now, one of the ways you can do that is to invite people to find others that they haven't worked with yet that day. But if you're repeating that instruction over the course of the day, it can get a bit tedious. So here's one idea I like to use, particularly with large groups, and it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Simply, as people come into the room, give them a playing card. I like these jumbo playing cards because they're a little bit interesting. So give everyone a playing card and then throughout the day, give different sets of instructions. So it might be find a partner with a different coloured card to you, or form a group of four with one person from each suit, or find four other people and try and make the best poker hand. But every instruction you give means they're going to end up with different people in the group.